So after you have that quiz shape drawn and it all checks up for measurements, let's double check the numbers to make sure it's correct. I go to the worksheet for that assignment. It's asking for a 7-foot tall, 10-foot wide, 1.5 tall contraption. Let's double check those. In your tools bin, in the tape measure bin, should be one called dimensions. Click on that one. To activate it, it's got to hover over a line. So it kind of turns blue. I hover over it. Then I click and drag and drop the measurement line on the ground. That says 10 feet, that checks. Again, it's still activated, so hover over the line. See that it went to the midpoint and kind of locked? That kind of makes your measurement all mixed up. So find a point where the line turns blue. Got it. Click, drag, 7 feet, that checks. This should be 8 feet, that checks. That should be 4 feet, checks. This should be 1.5 feet, that checks. Okay, the lines are all checked and measured. They're good to go.